All right, so the third day without me, hopefully things are going well and you're not totally lost. I think you guys are a smart class. You guys should be doing fine. First thing I want you to do, if you haven't done this, if you've already gone over the best solution to Corey Camel, then please just skip to the first activity. If you haven't gone over it yet, though, take some time, discuss it with your group. Even if nobody got the right solution, like talk about where you got stuck. This was the best solution. Here's what I couldn't figure out. Um, After you've talked about it with your group, if there's a group who doesn't have the best solution, then go over to a group that does and have them share. It might even be if only one person in the class got it, they could just, on the whiteboard, share with everyone how they were able to get the best solution. Um, Maybe that's Joe Buffano, maybe it's someone else, though my money's on Joe Buffano. Okay, um, so you can pause me now and get to work on that. Okay, pause me now. All right, so this is a very straightforward activity. Hopefully, there's not a lot of trouble here. Um, you're just converting it. Basically, you're rewriting it without the parentheses. Um, I'll just give you guys reminders on like questions like number two is first you do x minus 1 squared, like, I mean, just PEMDAS. And then after you get that, then distribute the negative to all the terms. Um, I thought about actually including some of the answers here, but actually, again, I really want to shift the autonomy to you guys. But I do want you guys to make the answers explicit. So like be very clear, maybe even on the whiteboard. Here's the answer I got, like after people have been working on it for like 15 minutes. Here's what I got for number one, and come to consensus about all 8 of them. Number 9, I think you should be able to do on your own. But after the unpause, there will be a hint. So right now, I want you to try to work on all 9 of them. Again, put the answers to all 8 of them on the whiteboard. But wait for like 15, 20 minutes or so that everyone has had a chance to work on them. Put on the board and argue. If you had a different answer, say I had a different answer. So get to work now. Again, 15, 20 minutes. And go ahead and pause me right now. So here was the optional clue if you weren't able to make sense of number 9. The only way to get the length for the cardboard support is to find the equation for a parabola with a vertex at 0, 0, and using the point 40, 10 to find the value of A. So if you want to now go back and do number 9, or even finish 7 and 8 if you didn't get that far, spend some more time to finish that. And so when you're done, you're going to go to the next activity, but you can just go ahead and pause me now while you finish this activity. Okay, so page 305, how much can they drink? I will tell you, lots of kids each year tell me they get confused on these problems. The key is, and I just always direct people back to these pictures. Like you see, it started with 40 inches. If we were going to bend it up to give it a height of 5 inches, you'd have to take 5 inches from each side, which would leave you 30 inches in the middle. So if, say, we made this a height of, and I hate to do this, a height of 1 inch, well, this would now become 38 inches, and each would have a height of 1 inch. So I hope that's enough to get you guys working on this. Again, I'm guessing it should take you around 20, 30 minutes to work on this. So go ahead and do it. 20, 30 minutes. You can go ahead and pause me now. All right, so if you didn't go over this, I just realized I didn't say this before I said to pause me. Like, make sure, again, everybody's on the same page. So you might need to pause me again right now. But if not, hopefully you guys went over this. And here's what we're transitioning to next. So I have no idea how much time you have left in class, but you're going to spend the rest of class and 20 to 30 minutes working on this POW for homework. Again, the key is you're not only experimenting with twin primes, but ultimately you're proving that these two things, the result is always a perfect square, and the result is always a multiple of 36. And it says in the bottom, you guys can read, you will need to use a variable in your proof. Think carefully about what number your variable should represent. So that's a really important clue. If you're a little confused, that last sentence is really important. That's all I have for you guys today. So this video should end right now.